Emerald apple is a rare variety from Russia, where it's eaten fresh and used for cooking and canning. The seeds for this variety passed through the hands of a few well-known heirloom tomato collectors before they were made available in 2008. The legendary seed collector and tomato historian Norwood Miners passed the seeds on to Bill Minke and Neil Lockhart, who each offered emerald apple through Seed Savers Exchange. This tomato is deliciously tart, yet with a surprising sweetness, and grows to 1.5 pounds or more. Emerald apple is a wonderful eating tomato, and it's one of the best and biggest green tomatoes we've tried here at the Baker Creek Farm.